Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today I'm going to be filming this look right here using my Kiki Beauty Bionic Babe palettes, this one and the Metallic Babe palette. And yeah, I actually filmed this on an Instagram live and I decided to film it for you guys because I mean a YouTube video is more permanent than an Instagram live. So this is the look. I think it's very festive-y. I think this lid color is super pretty. But anyway, if you guys would like to see how I got this festive makeup slay, then please keep watching. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna start off by priming my face with my Kiki Beauty Makeup Ready Face Primer. And just apply this all over my face. Next, a step that I pretty much never miss out in my routine, I'm gonna go in with the Kiki Beauty Makeup Ready Rose Wax Lip Balm. I honestly cannot live without this. It is so moisturizing, you guys. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm going to be going in with my Kiki Beauty Bionic Babe eyeshadow palette. This is the Yas Babe palette and taking the shade right here called Boom and the shade Boom Boom. Mixing these two shades together and I'm going to start working this color into my crease. All the way from inner corner to outer corner of the eye. The blendability of these shadows is really impressive because it literally cuts down the amount of time that you have to work on the eyeshadow with regards to blending. Then taking this shade right here called Smack, and I'm gonna start working this color lower down. Then those transition shades, also taking it into my crease as well and just using light circular motions to just blend everything out. Okay, so once I am happy with how this blend looks, I'm gonna go in to the Metallic Babe palette and using the shade Topaz Sky. I'm going to be taking a flat brush and just packing this on the first 2/3 of my eye, also creating like a cut crease vibe with this shade. And then I'm just going to go in and make sure that there are no harsh lines. Going in with my Essence Lash Princess Mascara and just applying this to my top lashes. Okay, now for foundation and concealer today, I'm going to take it a little bit old school and I'm going to be going in with my Rimmel Match Perfection in the shade 502 Noisette. I'm just going to go in with my Wet n Wild flat top foundation brush and just blend this in. Now I do want to say to you guys that I do have a viewfinder set up using my laptop, so if I am looking there, I'm just making sure I'm in focus. And then also taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm gonna be doing the usual, just highlighting under my eyes, down the center of my face, to my nose, Cupid's bow, and my chin. So while I blend out this concealer, I'm gonna turn the fan on, you guys, because this is madness. Okay, next taking my Revolution Luxury Banana Powder, and I'm gonna be using my microfiber sponge to just pick up the powder and use it to bake. Next, I'm going to be taking my Benefit Hoola Bronzer and I'm taking it on a fluffy brush and just bronzing up my face. I feel like my hair legit looks like a wig when I have it up like this, up and back like this. And then not forgetting that nose contour. Okay, so moving back onto the eyes, I'm just gonna take that brush that we had those transition shades on and I'm just going to run it along my lower lash line. and then also take that brush that I had the dark brown on and also just run that on the lower lash line, but concentrate that more on the outer corner. Okay, now for blush, I'm going to use one of my favorites. This is the Revlon Sultry Sienna Blush. I don't know why. This is just like, it's just a blush that I really like and I gravitate towards all the time. I'm not sure why. Also, I just really want to apologize to you guys for being that YouTuber that looks into their viewfinder all the time. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm just making sure my face is in focus so you can see the makeup. Alrighty, so to finish off the eyes, I'm gonna go in to the Metallic Babe palette and using the shade Zinc Zest, and I'm gonna be using this beautiful champagne color to just highlight my inner tear ducts. Such a beautiful shade, you guys. So dirty, you guys. This is a Switch Beauty Wet Shine Glow Highlighter palette, and I'm going to be mixing the shade Hustle and Finesse. It's just like my favorite combination right now. I'm going to be taking a Shantari blending brush, just hitting that on the top of my nose. So mixing the same two shades, and I'm going to use this to just highlight my cheekbones. Now for lips, I'm going to be using my MAC Plum Lip Liner. And then next, I'm going to go in with my ColourPop Ultra Matte Liquid Lippy in the shade Chi. This is from the Karuchi collection with ColourPop. I don't know if they've discontinued it, but I know Karuchi is currently making a lot of products still with ColourPop. And then for setting spray, I'm going to go in with my Bionic Babe setting spray. Now I'm going to go off of camera, finish off my lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so this is the final look, and I just finished off the eye with some Wispy Plus lashes from Line Spring. That is it for this look. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. I really like this bluey topaz sky color on my lid. I think it's very festive. I think it's very pretty. And yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to slay all day, every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!